What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Zia, and if you don't already know, it is Vlogmas.
Take a second, yeah, take a moment and ask yourself what you do it for. I don't think you got the slightest clue.
It is Vlogmas on Zia Alexis, and we are here just about every day. And I'm not saying that we're gonna post every day because I don't even know if I'll have the time. And if I do, we'll do it. If I don't, we're gonna have a whole bunch of videos regardless this month because we're coming back, we're better than ever. And today I'm gonna be talking about my hair. If you are following me on Instagram, then you know that I recently dyed my hair. So I'm no longer a full-on natural. I am a color-treated natural now. So one thing we're gonna be talking about is 5 tips that you should know, or 5 things that you should know before you dye your hair. These are things you should be doing, things you should have already done. Don't do it if you're just not ready. If you're a lazy natural and you're going blonde, that's not gonna work. Being blonde is a lot more harsh on your hair. You're bleaching, you're stripping it of everything that it was born with, okay? So when I decided to dye my hair, I decided that I wanted to go red, but also a little purple, because as you guys know, I did want to dye my hair purple. I got the Garnier Nutrice Ultra Color, and this color is Spice Plum, which is a dark, intense violet. So the thing with this is it looks really red in the sun and really dark otherwise. So I don't have like the super extra bright red, candy apple red. Like, I wasn't looking for that. I was looking for something subtle but not subtle at the same time. One tip that I say before you dye your hair is to make sure you already have a proper hair care regimen in order, that you've been following for a minute and you know for a fact that your hair is healthy from that regimen. I say that because when you dye your hair, there will be a lot more deep conditioning, a lot more conditioner. You have to make sure your hair is moisturized at all times. Make sure you trim your hair at the right times and things of that nature. So if you don't have a healthy hair care regimen already in order, do not dye your hair just yet. Just wait till you figure out your hair first, because you don't want to damage what you've already started. A lot of people don't even care. They just want to say they have curls and, you know, walk around with stringy strings in their head, and I'm not with that. So I'm not gonna tell you to go dye your hair if you're not ready to dye your hair. Second, I would say, is make sure you have a deep conditioner arsenal ready and waiting, because you will be deep conditioning your hair every week or more, just to make sure it's healthy, just to make sure that you are taking care of your hair the right way. Also, protein treatments. Protein treatments are a absolute must, because you have stripped your hair of its protein to put that color in there. So since the color that I used was permanent, it did strip my hair of certain oils and properties protein wise. But since I take care of my hair, you can't tell that there's any damage, because there isn't any. Make sure that you have already deep conditioned before you dye. I don't mean like right before, I mean like at least a week before. Make sure you get your hair super ready to be dyed. Like, you already know, give yourself a few days to just get your hair ready and then go into the dyeing process. Another thing I would say is, if you're going to dye your hair and you're scared to do so, go dark. Go darker. Do not go lighter. If you're terrified that you're gonna damage your hair, go darker. Darker hair is less harsh on our natural hairs, so you don't have to worry about it stripping every single thing. And I honestly think when I went black, my hair was very healthy, like super healthy, and I had gone honey blonde before that. So just be cautious of what colors you're using. I know that reds are iffy. They're a lot harder to get out if you're trying to dye your hair a different color, so just be cautious of that. When you're dyeing your hair, you do want to saturate your whole head with the dye so that it completely gets into the hair strands, and you want to leave it on a little bit longer. For natural hair people, you leave it on a little longer than what the box says, because if not, it's not going to deposit the color like you want to. And I've noticed that with my hair. Every time I've dyed it, I've had to leave it on at least 10 to 15 minutes longer. And if you don't feel comfortable doing that, don't do it, and then just do a second dyeing process maybe a month later or 2 to 3 weeks later. I had to use 2 boxes of dye, mainly because I have a lot of hair. Literally one bottle only finished the bottom half of my head, and I had to use the second bottle for the top. So y'all know how I split my hair off already. If you watch any of my hair videos, you know I get the back section and then I have the 2 in the front. So that's how I dyed my hair out. I actually have a clip here of after I finished putting the dye in my hair, and I was about to wait for a second. Hopefully I can get this footage because Another thing I would say is, if you aren't comfortable with doing your own hair or using a box dye, definitely go to a hair care professional, a natural hair care professional. Do not go to someone who does not know what they're doing with natural hair and color, because it will be horrible for you and all of the parties involved. Do not do that to yourself, because it's just not worth it. I will be doing a series of basically how I take care of my hair after dyeing, mainly because none of the same things that I was doing before is going to be the same. Might be, but since I do have color treated hair, I do have to cater to my color treated hair now, and it's not just super natural. I think one thing I have noticed is my hair is a lot softer after dyeing my hair, and I think it's really the dye that I use. I haven't shampooed my hair yet. This is only day 4 of my hair being dyed. I dyed it on, what is today? Today is Monday, and I dyed it on Friday. So I dyed my hair Friday, and I went back home Saturday. Sunday, I've been spritzing my hair Sunday and Monday. So like, I use my spray bottle. I have a continuous spray bottle, and I've been using my Style Factor Edge Booster Edge Control, and that's really all I've been doing to my hair. When I styled it right out of dyeing it, I used the Camille Rose Curl Maker, and that is another reason why my hair is really soft, because every time I use Camille Rose as a gel, it just leaves my hair soft. And I think that's really all that I use, because I left some of the Garnier Fructis conditioner in my hair. And what you have to realize is the Garnier Fructis conditioner does have silicones in it, because it is not catered to natural hair. And a lot of the other brands that are not catered to natural hair aren't natural and don't have those, no parabens, no sulfates, no silicones, no. So, you know, you just have to be cautious of that. That could be another reason why my hair is so soft right now. But we will see how this goes. This whole Vlogmas, you will get videos on videos on videos of my colored hair, along with other videos, because that's what we're doing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to come on here and clear the elephant in the room, because I did dye my hair, and it is something different, and I'm really excited because I'm going to be a colored natural for a long time. I honestly think I'm going to go ash blonde really soon. Like, I want that white blonde with the dark roots and all that stuff. So I might go blonde like within 2020. We will see how my hair does. So that's just a disclaimer. I'm just putting it out there. That might happen, might not, because I might punk out and not do shit but dye my hair red again. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just giving you a little update on my hair and what I think you guys should and should not do if you're gonna dye your hair. If you're not subscribed, make sure you do that, because we do have a giveaway, and if you have not entered into the giveaway, make sure to go look in the description box and check the giveaway rules. The rules are there, and if you did not watch the first Vlogmas video, the rules are also there. Just be cautious. There are 2 giveaways that I'm doing. So if you don't do one part, you're gonna miss out on the second giveaway. I can tell you that now. I love you guys. It's been a long time, but we're back. And this is a little different because I'm filming with my phone because I can't get footage off of any of my cameras right now. So I'm still trying to post for y'all. Regardless, we're gonna do this. I don't care. That's why we didn't have a video yesterday, okay? It's not because I was slacking. It was because I can't get any footage off my phone, off of my cameras, of my cards. I can't do anything. So yeah, we're gonna this Vlogmas is gonna be fun. It's gonna be hectic, but we're gonna get it done. We're gonna have makeup videos, we're gonna have hair videos, we're gonna have fashion videos. It's all of that we're gonna have it. And of course, enter into the giveaway before the 18th so that you can get possibly get something, you know, a few things, a box of some good shit, some good stuff. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and I will see y'all in my next video, which will be tomorrow. All right, y'all, bye.